And I want to say that among the many great things that we are doing, we are very keen on innovations. That is coming up with solutions to human problems that exist. One of the innovations that we have come up with is the use of avocado seeds. We know that avocado seeds are all over. They clog our drains. They don't easily get biodegraded, and so they contaminate our environment in a big way. And what we have done as Kiambu National Polytechnic is to get the avocado seeds and process them.
So from the boiling part, now we go to the first step of saccharification. Saccharification is basically the process where you break down the complex sugars into simple sugars. These simple sugars are needed for fermentation process. So at this point, once we boil, we come to this process that is now the hydrolysis in broader terms, or the saccharification. Saccharification is a process where you break down polysaccharides into the simple sugars that are now able to ferment. And you do that using enzymes. The most and the strongest enzyme to do that is the amylase. It stays here for 24 hours. Within 24 hours, the complex sugars will have been hydrolyzed, will have been broken down into simple sugars that are fermentable. Then the next stage is the bioconversion. In this case, the bioconversion here refers to the fermentation process. Okay? And this one here now use the yeast, brewer's yeast, the normal brewing system. Remember, now you have sugars. The byproduct or the product of the saccharification is actually sweet. The avocado seed sugars that are complex, when they are hydrolyzed, by the end of it, they are sweet in taste. They have citrus taste. That means now it can now it turns to be fermentable sugars. And it is at this point now we produce alcohol through fermentation in the activity of the yeast. Okay? So this one now, depending on the longevity, depending on the strength of the alcohol that you want to attain, it can stay for 2 to 3 to 4 days. Others can go even for weeks. This is the alcohol that we have manufactured already from the avocado seeds, and you have said we don't want to subject it to consumption by the youth. So we are using that alcohol to distill it so that we can get ethanol that we can use to produce various sustainable eco products. So you set your control to 80 degrees centigrade. What will going to happen is that alcohol will come out, but the water content in the alcohol will remain. So you put your containers, you put it there, and you let it go. This is the cooling chamber of the distillation machine. We have connected with water so that it can condense the vapor.
Avocado seeds are available all over, and all one needs to do is to get them, clean them, process them.
Individuals who are living in urban slums use ethanol for their cooking solutions. And in a simple demonstration, you can have 3 cooking solutions using the ethanol. You can have one, you can make the spirit, the spirit that we had made before, And this one can be used to warm food in hotels. It can be used to warm food in hotels. That is for the medical spirit. Besides being used for disinfecting or for as a disinfectant. So the other solution about the ethanol is the use of ethanol for cooking solutions